Good afternoon. This is Kate Weatherwise with another weather update on December 29th, 2025. It is 12 p.m. on the Pacific Coast and 3 p.m. on the East Coast. This update concerns the mid-latitude cyclone that has been working its way through the Midwest and into the Northeast, bringing with it snow, blowing snow, sometimes blizzard conditions, and then out ahead of it, we saw that severe weather that came through yesterday and last evening. And as we go back in time, we can see the progression of it and that really nice line of storms that came through yesterday and last evening into the Midwest states, down into the Mid-South. I know there were reports, there were tornado warnings on the radar, there were severe thunderstorm warnings, there were severe thunderstorms down into Tennessee around the Nashville area. And as we go into today, those storms, like I mentioned, they did peter out as they got to the coast, but there's just some rain and a little bit of wind out on the coast. But if you go inland, there's a lot of snow. And since that storm has pushed east, it has replaced the warm air with cold air, and it is now snowing in those areas that saw severe weather yesterday. And as we take a tour through the different radar sites around the area that are being affected by this mid-latitude cyclone, you'll see rain on the coast, you see snow inland, you see blowing snow, you see this non-thunderstorm wind gust of 46 miles per hour reported in Ohio. And there's those types of things going on all over the place. And this area up in the upper peninsula of Michigan has received almost 20 inches of snow from this storm since it started yesterday. And as we go south into the Indianapolis area, where we had severe weather go through yesterday, it is now snowing and windy and things like that. So that's what's going on today. It's a classic system that winds up sometimes in this part of the country this time of year. And as we go take a look at the map and all of the watches and warnings that are going on, we have winter storm warnings, we have winter weather advisories, we have wind advisories. In North Carolina, we have a red flag warning for wind. We have frost and freeze watches and warnings down south into Florida and the southern parts of the southern states. And we also have a winter storm warnings and watches and winter weather advisories for New Mexico and Texas. So that area is going to see your first snowflakes fall here in the next 24 hours and possibly some blizzard conditions in places. So that is what's going on around the country today concerning that mid-latitude cyclone and a couple more things. And I will keep everyone posted as we go along. This is Kate Weatherwise saying bye for now.